Hello friends, welcome again to the channel Law and Government Job Exam Cluster. In this video, we are going to discuss the vacancies in Sangeet Natak Academy, that is in the National Academy of Music, Dance and Drama. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the future notification. The National Academy of Music, Dance and Drama, that is Sangeet Natak Academy, has notified for the direct recruitment vacancy for the post of Deputy Secretary Documentation in the pay level 11, that is Group A Technical, 1 post, Stenographer in pay level 6, Group B Ministerial, 2 post, Recording Engineer pay level 6, Group B Technical, 1 post, Assistant pay level 6, Group B Ministerial, 4 post, Junior Clerk pay level 2, Group C Ministerial, 3 post, and MTS pay level 1, Group C Non-Ministerial, 5 post. What are the qualifications? What are the method? What is the payment fees? We will discuss now further. For the Deputy Secretary Documentation post, the name of post is Deputy Secretary Documentation, pay level already told you, pay level 11. This is a Group A technical post, which is, and 1 post is for notified is for unreserved vacancy, that is a general vacancy. The age limit requirement is 35 minimum to 45 years, relaxable by 5 years in case of person employed in central government, state government, autonomous bodies. What are the qualifications required? Degree from a recognized university, preferable in humanities and social science. That is 1. Second, in addition to this, 10-year practical experience in documentation, production and dissemination of audio-visual materials pertaining to performing arts. This is a second condition. And third condition is awareness and understanding of performing arts. So these are the 3 essential qualifications which are required. Apart from that, what is desirable qualification which is also mentioned? Diploma in library science, documentation, computer application, 2 additional professional qualification in area of music, dance, drama or comparable education qualification in fields like cultural, anthropology, folklore studies, etc. And third is awareness of government rules and regulations. So the 3 are the essential qualifications and then 3 are the desirable qualification. This is for Deputy Secretary Documentation pay level 11, 1 post which is for unreserved category. Now the next post is Stenographer, which is in pay level 6. This is a Group B Ministerial post. There are total 2 posts. One is for unreserved category and one is for OBC. The minimum age requirement is 21 years and maximum is 28 years. Relaxable to 5 years in case of persons employed in central government, state government, autonomous bodies, and age also relaxable by 3 years for OBC candidates. What is the requirement of this post? Degree from a recognized university, first, and second, should have minimum speed of 100 words per minute in English or Hindi shorthand and 45 words per minute in English or Hindi typing. And third essential qualification requirement is 3-year experience as stenographer in an organization of repute or autonomous body or government undertaking. These are the essential qualification, and desirable is knowledge of Hindi. So 2 posts, one for unreserved, one for OBC. 21 to 28 years, 5 years relaxation for central government and other government employees, 3 years for OBC, and 3 qualifications essential and 1 desirable. Next post is Recording Engineer, again in pay level 6. This is a Group B Technical, 1 post, that this is for general category. Minimum age is 28 years and maximum is 35 years. Again same 5 years relaxable for the central government employees, state government or autonomous body. There are two conditions for essential qualifications. One is Diploma in Sound Engineering and Sound Recording from the Film and Television Institute of India, that is in Pune, or from equivalent institute recognized by the central or state government. This is the first essential qualification. And second is at least 2 years experience in handling of audio or video recording equipments in central or state government department or reputed firms or institutions. These are the two essential qualifications. And what is the desirable qualification? Acquaintances with performing art. This is for recording engineer. Next post is assistant in pay level 6. This is group B ministerial. Total 4 posts. 3 posts are for unreserved and 1 post is for OBC. Minimum age 21, maximum age 28 years. 3 years relaxable for OBC and 5 years for central government, state government and autonomous bodies employee. Essential requirement is degree from a recognized university. And second is should have knowledge of typing, at least 6 years experience as senior clerk, that is in level 4 in office work, preferably relating to establishment and accounts matter in a central or state government or autonomous bodies. So there are two minimum conditions, essential conditions, and desirable is again acquaintances with performing art. Next post is junior clerk, pay level 2, group C ministerial. Total 3 posts, and all 3 posts are for unreserved category, that is general. Age between 18 to 27 years. 5 years relaxable for central government, state government and autonomous bodies employee. Requirement qualification is 12th class or equivalent qualification from a recognized board or university. And second is English typewriting at 30 words per minute or Hindi typewriting at 25 words per minute, which shall be taken on computer in correspondence to 10,500 key depression per hour for English and 9,000 key depression per hour for Hindi typing. Desirable knowledge and understanding about Indian performing arts. So 2 essential qualification and 1 desirable qualification. And the last post is MTS, which is in pay level 1, group C non-ministerial. Total 5 posts, 4 posts for unreserved and 1 post for OBC. Age 18 to 27 years. 5 years relaxable for central and state government employees, state government and autonomous body, and 3 years for OBC candidates. Essential qualification requirement is matriculation and equivalent from a government board or certificate or diploma from an industrial training institute and possessing basic knowledge of computer. So these are the qualifications which are required for the mentioned post. Now the next is how to apply, how much is the fees and everything, that we will go further. The last date for receipt of application is 5th of March, and the general and OBC has to pay rupees 300 as an fees, and for general and OBC, women, SC, ST, physically handicapped, EWS nil. A fees of 300 is applicable to all applicants except those in the exempted category. Required documents are mentioned: date of birth, that is 10th certificate, educational qualification, mark sheets and degree and diploma certificates, experience certificate issued by the employer indicating the date of joining and relieving, NOC from the present employer if employed, caste, tribe, EWS and physical handicap certificates, certificate in support of age relaxation if age relaxation is claimed. The details about the date, time and venue of the written test will be intimated to the eligible candidates. The number of vacancy may vary subject to the requirement at the stage of final selection. You have to visit Academy's website, that is www.sangeetnatak.gov.in. This is an all India level, very clearly written that candidate selected for appointment is liable to be transferred anywhere in India. The selection post procedure is as follows. For Deputy Secretary documentation, written exam of 70 marks with qualifying marks 50%, that is 35. Candidate up to 10 times of the post will be qualified in exam will be called for interview in order of merit. There will be an interview of 30 marks. So 2 tier exam, one is written exam 70 marks and interview 30 marks. Out of 70 marks, minimum 50%, that is 35%, 30 marks are required. These are the qualifying marks. Minimum 35 if you will not get, then you will not qualify. After that, the merit will be prepared for the next 10 candidates, which will be called for the interview. Stenographer 2 post, one is for English and one is for Hindi. Written exam would be again 100 marks. Qualifying marks will be 50. However, limited candidates will be called for skill test in order of merit. Shorthand and typing test maximum 25 times. 50 candidates will be called for skill test of shorthand speed at 100 words per minute and typing with speed at the rate 45 words per minute. These speeds are mandatory but qualifying only. Final selection will be made on the basis of merit of written exam. The written exam would be of 4 parts: 25 question arithmetics, 25 question English or Hindi, 25 question reasoning and 25 question general knowledge and current affairs. Total time given would be 1.5 hours, 1 hour and 30 minutes. Next post, recording engineer. There will be an exam of 50 marks with necessary qualifying marks 25 and maximum 10 candidates in order of merit will be called for the interview. Interview and skill test is 50 marks. Final selection will be made on the basis of combination of both the marks in total of exam and interview in order of merit. Assistant, that will be of 2 tier exam, objective type exam 200 marks with qualifying marks 100. You have to qualify the first phase objective type exam, and after that the qualified people would be called for the second phase exam. Questions will be of graduation level. 50 question arithmetics, 50 question English, 50 reasoning and 50 question general knowledge and current affairs. These are 200 questions in 2 hours you have to do. Second exam would be of 50 marks, descriptive to check writing skills and command on language. Final selection will be made based on the combined score in 2 exams in order of merit. Next is junior clerk, would be on of written marks, minimum 50 qualifying marks, followed by a skill test, typing test with a speed of 30 words per minute. Written exam will be of objective 100 marks, 1.5 duration, 25 question for maths, 25 general knowledge, 25 English and 25 reasoning. And that we have 12th standard and minimum qualifying marks would be 50. Candidates who will obtain qualifying marks and maximum 20 time candidates, that is 60, will be called for typing test. Typing test 30 words per minute is mandatory but qualifying. Last post is MTS. Selection will be based on the written exam only, comprised of 100 questions, 100 marks in 1.5 hours. Minimum qualifying marks is 50, 25 questions maths, 25 English, 25 reasoning and 25 general knowledge. Question will be of 10 standard. So these are the procedure of written examination, interview and skill test, which will be held for the different posts as mentioned above and already told in the detail. So whosoever wanted to apply for these posts can apply till the last date, that is 5th of March, on the website of the academy, that is sangeetnatak.gov.in. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this channel. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for future notification. Thank you once again for watching this channel.